There's just mass destruction everywhere. It's not going to be the same. This is just traumatic for everybody.
In Western Mass, we were spared, so we're very fortunate, but the need is great out here.
Juices, water.
Coming down here since 1960, it's never been this bad.
Almost a year ago today, the last storm, we had some devastation, but I would say that this was a lot more devastating than what it was.
Please start going door to door. Ask some of the owners if they need anything.
As you can see from what happened here today at this distribution site, people are looking for clothing, they're looking for blankets, they're looking for batteries.
There are a lot of immediate needs right now. People are in need of food, they're in need of shelter. While people are out of their homes, we will be here to provide shelter.
This is probably my 15th deployment, and I started with Katrina, so that was quite an experience to start with. And I think this is bigger than Katrina. It's much more land mass involved, many more people involved, and the Red Cross is going to be out here for quite a while helping these people.
I started at Hurricane Katrina, and I personally feel this is much bigger than Katrina because the vicinity of the folks that we're trying to help is in 2 or 3 different states. When we got to White Plains, there were 5-hour waits at the gas station. We had to wait in line for gas. It was a real issue. The subways were closed. The major highways had a lot of issues with road closures.
We faced some of the same obstacles that other people were facing, the treacherous roads and, unsafe travel conditions, gas shortages, and things of that nature.
No, this is not my full-time job. I work at the Franklin County Sheriff's Office full-time, and the sheriff has been nice enough to give me the week off to come down here and help.
This is a great chance for us to pay back, too, because we were in the heart of the disaster in Springfield, and to now help somebody else in their time of need is wonderful.